Hey guys, so I'm here with the 2015 Toyota Prius Gen 3. It's the third level, level 3, which includes the backup camera. As you can see, pretty decent amount of mileage on the car. Definitely one of the my favorite Priuses to drive. Like I said, I just recently traded in another one that I had for 2023 Prius Prime. But I have to say, this car is awesome. It's really held up. It's done everything I pretty much have expected. It's been a very reliable car. Basically, outside of oil changes, brakes, and just standard maintenance like the air cabin filter and the air filter. Really haven't done much, maybe a transmission fluid change. But the car is just unbelievable. We'll definitely say that this is a wonderful car. I definitely recommend it to anyone. So, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Let me know anything you would like to see or learn about this generation of Prius. It's definitely a car that I can talk a lot about, as I've owned the car for almost 10 years, basically more than a decade. And honestly, I really love the car.